In this step, we're going to demonstrate the proper service procedure for removing the strut from the vehicle. Now we're right here on the top, and we have 3 mounting bolts, 1, 2, and 3 that hold the strut to the body of the vehicle. Now we got a little plastic device here that is for our washer solvent sprayers. We're going to take our little pry bar and slip that guy off there. Just like so, exposing the mounting bolt. From here, what we're going to do is just take our 3/8 socket wrench and a 13mm socket and go ahead and undo the bearing plate mounting bolts. You're going to want to go ahead and put your bolts in your magnetic tray for later reinstallation. Replacements do not come with a set of coil springs. And for the last one. You're going to want to take and grab a hold of the strut through the fender well while you're undoing the last bolt, just to make sure it doesn't fall out and damage any other components. Just grab a hold of it right there. Take and put our last bolt in the tray. We go ahead and slip our strut out of position and out of the vehicle, just like so. And as you see, we have a broken coil spring right here. They always break off at a point. As the spring compresses up and down, it actually twists. You can see it's busted right there. It's missing this whole part of the coil all the way around back to here, and is actually just about ready to jump off of the strut seat itself. Now that is the proper service procedure for unbolting the top of your strut and sliding it out of the pinch bolt hole on the vehicle.